Good evening, everyone. We have a shit ton of mail call. There's no other way to put it. But this is all post-Hurricane Cummins from last Friday through yesterday. So let's get into it and start seeing what we have. So first up is the long box. And as you tell from what they were following, it is New Mutants. New Mutants. New Mutants. A long box of New Mutants. And some of the keys are in here. Like the second printing of that. The annuals are also in here. The last issue. The second to last. Fortunately, no, we do not have the first Deadpool, but still, 80 comics, not bad. And then, now, first up from the big pile of little ones, we have from Word Burglar, we have his newest CD, Word Burglar, Bergonomics. So that is kind of cool. It is actually in the CD player right now. About ready to listen to it. But next up from Kryptonite Comics, we have two packages. The first package is from the kids' meals. We have Thanos and War Machine. His little whatever's move. And then from the other Kryptonite Comics is actual comics, which are WCW #1, Joker #1, Joker #2, Captain Storm #10, #13, 14, and 15. And then Tales of Astonishment #1, Swamp Thing Annual #1, Spider-Man 2099 #2, the Turtles #99, the B cover, and a artist exclusive G.I. Joe #2. And now from Lex Kemp on Facebook Auctions, we have Heroes Reborn, the action figure variant, Superman Rebirth #3, 6, and 7, Supergirl #49, Hellboy, and the PBRD 1953 #1 and 2, Lives of Wolverine #4, the trading card variant, along with the, I'm not even sure what this is, but another variant, Hackslash vs. Chaos #3, the C cover, Curse Words #9, the Walking Dead homage, Redneck #3, Ant #12 from the second volume, Convergence Action Comics #2, and Amazing Spider-Man #800. And next we have from Smallville Comics, wherever that is. But we have DC Presents #41 and Army of Darkness versus Reanimator, #3, the Flash homage cover. And next up from Counterpoint Comics, Brett Michaels, we have Blindside, number 1, the J. Scott Campbell cover, along with Marat's cover for the homage to Amazing Spider-Man 300, along with all the Kickstarter goodies. And now we have Sam Bates off of Facebook. And while I'm opening this, let me just remind you, some of this is also going back on Mercari. So give it about a week to 2 weeks for me to get some of the stuff up, along with other ones that I already have up. So please check it out. I will leave the description and a link in the bottom of the comments. So, from Sam Bates, we have Stray Dogs, number 2, the Gremlins homage, along with Department of Truth, both covers of the Morrison variant. And last but not least, from Doug Drager, another Facebook auction, we have, as you can tell, Silver Age Comics. Not sure if there's a company name there, but it is cool. But we have Detective Comics number 954, Love and Aardvarks number 1, Planet of the Apes Green Lantern, the action figure variant for number 4, I believe. Wonder Woman number 36, the Lego cover, another Lego cover for Justice League United number 6, and the Lego cover for Justice League 36. Old Man Logan number 1, the variant, and Bitch Planet number 1, 2, 3, and 4. So if you like this video or any of my videos, please give me a thumbs up. Hit the notification bell to know when I make new videos. Also, hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And like I said, please check out my Mercari account that I will be leaving a link in the description below. And as always, stay safe and peace out.